Hello everyone. The main goal of NASA's Artemis program is to explore the moon for scientific discovery, technology advancement, and to learn how to live and work on another world. To achieve this goal, NASA plans to collaborate with commercial and international partners and establish a long-term presence on the moon. As part of this goal, NASA plans to land the first woman and the first person of color on the moon's surface. Once on the lunar surface, NASA plans to use innovative technologies to explore more of the lunar surface than they've ever done before. To accomplish this goal, NASA has created a Commercial Lunar Payload Services, called CLPS, program. As part of the program, NASA has contracted with 14 different companies to send small robotic landers and rovers to the moon. By using the CLPS program, NASA intends to buy end-to-end payload services between Earth and the lunar surface using fixed-price contracts. NASA has contracted with 11 companies to deliver a lunar lander and 3 companies to develop Lunar Terrain Vehicles, LTVs. The LTV is an unpressurized rover that NASA astronauts will drive on the moon while conducting scientific research. The LTV will also have the ability to explore the lunar surface unmanned. NASA intends to begin using the LTV for crewed operations during the Artemis 5 mission. Here's a short video, NASA video, on the planned use of the LTVs.
NASA is going back to the moon, this time to stay. With Artemis, we're building on more than 50 years of experience and preparation. Like all of NASA's missions, we go to better understand the universe and our home planet. Through the Commercial Lunar Payload Services initiative, NASA is buying lunar delivery services from American companies. Working with more than a dozen CLPS providers to rapidly expand the lunar economy and explore the moon, NASA is enabling new approaches and innovation. The payloads we're sending advance capabilities for science, exploration, and commercial development of the moon. Science investigations and technology demonstrations will help NASA study Earth's nearest neighbor under Artemis, preparing us for human missions to the lunar surface. A robot to hunt for water ice on the moon's south pole. A radio receiver system to test antenna response on the lunar surface. A unique mirror to measure distance mounted to the lander to determine the lander's position. A robotic rover to autonomously navigate without needing to communicate with Earth in real time. And many others. As we get ready for a new era of exploration and discovery, NASA's Artemis missions will land the first woman and first person of color on the moon, and CLPS plays an important role. What we learn on the moon will prepare us for future long-duration missions. Are you ready to explore with us?
Today we will discuss the LTV companies that NASA has contracted with. Who are they? NASA has selected Intuitive Machines, Lunar Outpost, and Venturi Astrolab to develop advanced capabilities for their Lunar Terrain Vehicles, LTVs. Intuitive Machines is an American company headquartered in Houston, Texas. It was founded in 2013. NASA had previously contracted with Intuitive Machines for 3 lunar missions for its Lunar LPDS, Lunar Payload Delivery Services program. The first mission, earlier this year, sent the first American spacecraft to the surface of the moon since the Apollo program. Unfortunately, during the landing on the lunar surface, one of the lander legs broke and the lander ended up laying on its side. This prevented the lander from having its solar panels extended properly, and therefore the lander did not have sufficient power to operate. Intuitive Machines will provide its Moon Racer LTV as shown in this artist's rendition. The second company is Lunar Outpost. Lunar Outpost is an American company headquartered in Golden, Colorado, which was founded in 2017. Lunar Outpost's cutting-edge robotics and mobility technology is at the forefront of the space industry, driving progress and innovation in the new space economy. Lunar Outpost has previously delivered many autonomous systems on Earth and spaceflight rovers. This is the artist's rendition of their Lunar Dawn, which NASA has contracted with Lunar Outpost for 4 missions. The third company is Venturi Astrolab. It's an American company headquartered in Hawthorne, California. It was originally founded in 2006 as an electric car manufacturer. Venturi Astrolab first revealed a full-scale working prototype of its flexible logistics and exploration rover called FLEX in March of 2022. Since then, Venturi Astrolab has conducted thousands of hours of laboratory and field testing that's led to numerous design improvements to the FLEX. Shown here is an artist's rendition of the FLEX. With that thought, we're going to end today's video. We hope you enjoyed hearing about NASA's plans for Lunar Terrain Vehicles. Hit the like button if you like this video, then hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Remember always, failure is not an option. Bye.